Hopefully you can hear me. This is day 10, leaving Honolulu or something like that. I don't know where we are, anyhow. And heading to Hajiang for the 3-day Hajiang loop. And trying our best to not fall over on the slipping muddy road again. Weather prediction is a bit of rain today, and then it should be good for the next 2 days after that, so we're going with that. If the GoPro can hear me, we've just spent a half an hour riding through mud, gravel, streams, massive puddles, whilst avoiding trucks, cars and the occasional scooter. And now we're on this, look at this, double lane. I'm just so excited, I'm so happy. Slightly delirious. Oh boy, oh yeah, and there's nice scenery though. Wow. I was predicting that we would make destination today. Frankly, so now 5 o'clock is pushing it, but basically we were doing about 15 k's an hour on average. Just now doing 40, even do more, but it's too much stress and the scenery. So, we just thought we'd have a little stop here, because it looks like it might be an okay kind of view. No, I'm sticking with that. Even with the clouds kissing the tops of the mountains, it's still quite spectacular.